Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic smart microwave, anything in the NN-SV79 series, and you're having issues with the Wi-Fi where it's not connecting or it's not pairing or syncing with your Alexa, and you need to reset the Wi-Fi on it. We can do this really simply. Now, once you do this, you're going to need to set the Wi-Fi up again just using the normal setup instructions. But all we need to do is with the microwave on, we're going to come and find this defrost and then the quick 30-second button. And if you press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds, you'll get a success word. Will show up success on here, and the Wi-Fi icon on the screen will start to blink. And just allow it to blink. It's just while it's doing its reset. It's going to blink for a while, and then when the Wi-Fi, when this becomes just solid Wi-Fi, then you can go ahead and set this up, set the Wi-Fi up as though you were setting it up and pair it to Alexa and everything like that, like it was the first time.